project was initiated by our team, where we are trying to see that how to motivate our consumer to come to the digital platform to pay that electricity dues. And in the line of Digital India movement also, we started conceptualize this project and see that how to create awareness among our consumer base and how to create more and more platforms where a consumer can come and join and also pay their dues in a seamless manner.
Earlier what was happening is customer either coming to our office and standing in queue and making the payment, or our representative going to customer premise and doing a door-to-door collection. So in order to simplify this, we have first identified what are the reasons because of which customers are not shifting to digital. So in that respect, we have identified 3-4 major areas and we have taken the initiative in those areas. Digital Karan is one of the initiatives being taken by TPCODL in our journey to provide the excellent customer service. Since its inception, we are taking numerous steps in this direction. In this Digital Karan, we have primarily focused on simplifying the bill payment process.
TPCODL serves a consumer base of 29 lakh and spread over a geographic area of 30,000 square feet. And mostly around 80% consumers are rural based, and where 20% consumers are urban based. And being a rural based distribution company, and we struggle every month to collect the money from each and every consumer, because in this part of the world there is a legacy where we have to reach out to each and every consumer on a monthly basis to their places, and have to collect the money at the doorsteps. So it becomes a bit of the consumer also to pay the money when our bill collector reaches at a doorstep also. So in this process, some months because of climatic conditions, maybe hot summer days or rainy days or cyclone days, also very difficult to reach out all the consumers and collect the money from them. It creates a lot of problem in terms of cash flow to the company, and to ensure that how to streamline the cash flow, we have to think of new ideas and to come out and to execute different projects on increasing the digital consumer base helped in a big way in last few months also. Even last year also, compared to last year also, our rural consumers paying through digital mode has been doubled, and nearly 100% improvement is there also. And we are hoping by on the successful completion of the project, we are hopeful around 30 to 40% consumer can start paying digitally very soon.
TPCODL तरफ डिजिटल पेमेंट करने द्वारा 4% रिहाती पाऊँगी। ग्रामीण ग्राहक हिसाब से प्रत्येक यूनिट पिछा 10 पैसा रिहाती पाऊँगी। से TPCODL समस्त सुविधा दबारू मु बहुत खुशी अच्छी।
आज्ञा मो ना कीर्ति चौधरी, बालुजार मो घर, आम घर साइड इलेक्ट्रिक ऑफिस। सबु मास इलेक्ट्रिक बिल जो आसे मु लाइन लगे इलेक्ट्रिक ऑफिस सामने ठिया होगी दबा पड़े, जेहेतु से बहुत भीड़ थाए। तो से मु ऑनलाइन फोन पे हो, गूगल पे हो, अमेजन हो, जो थे ऑफर थाए से मु ऑनलाइन पेड कले। ताद्वारा मत 4% खंडे रिहाती मिले। अच्छा जो 4% किसीटा सेफ हो जाए तो यहाँ गोटे टीपीसीओडल सबुठ बड़ भल जिनस गोटे आमपाई सुविधा समय बंचुची जावाक पड़ूनी घरे बसी बसी आम दे पार्छु आमर इलेक्ट्रिक बिल आम जापारछु केते इलेक्ट्रिक बिल आसूँ कौन ना ऑटोमेटिक आमको मेसेज भी आसूँ तो यहाँ बहुत स्वागतजनक धन्यवाद।
ମୋ ନାଁ ରାଜଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀ ବେହେରା ମୁଁ ମଇଁଚାପାଟରୁ ଆସିଛି ଆଉ ଏ ଯେଉଁ ନୂଆ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ ବିଲ୍ ଆମେ ଫୋନ୍ପେ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଦେବା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆମେ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ମାସରେ 30ରୁ 40 ଟଙ୍କା ଆମ ବିଲ୍ ଅନୁସାରେ ସେ ଆମର ଡିଡକ୍ଟ ହେଇକି ଆସୁଛି ଯେଉଁଟାକି ଆମେ ଖୁସିରେ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ଲେଟ୍ ଦହିବରା ଖାଇପାରିବା।